As far as I can tell, Arizona is one of the best states in the country when it comes to restoring your right to carry a firearm. I don't know if that's surprising or if you already knew that or you already expected that. But anyways, my name is Darren Woodfork and I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And at my firm, one of our services is we help people restore their firearm rights here in Arizona. And today I want to talk about something that is, I think, pretty interesting. It's because on my social media, I do, promote the fact that my firm can help you restore your rights, either getting your gun rights back or getting your old cases sealed. But I get a lot of comments on there saying that the Arizona legislature or Arizona is easy on crime because they allow people to get a second chance, essentially. And they always kind of assume or blame it on liberals in Arizona who've made these laws. But it's completely the opposite, and it's completely wrong. Arizona is a libertarian state. We've always kind of been in the middle. Right now, our legislature is controlled by the Republicans, and all of these new second chance laws have been written into law by Republicans and conservatives and here in Arizona. And Arizona has the best second chance laws in the state. I mentioned before, maybe I'll leave in a card here, that Arizona just started a new motion to seal old cases to get them wiped off your record back in 2023. That's just 2 years ago. Arizona, and it's probably the best law in the country as far as you can file a motion with the court, get your old case wiped off the books for the purposes of applying for a job, saying you've never been convicted of a crime, or filling out a rental application that you've never been convicted of a crime also. That was in 2023, just 2 years ago, by the Republican Arizona legislature here in Arizona. And today I want to talk also about the law, Arizona Section 13907. And that's a law that, again, just started about 4 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And that basically says if you only have one minor felony conviction, your rights are automatically restored here in Arizona. And that's outrageous, because if you know that when you're a convicted felon, for the most part, you're going to lose your rights, your civil rights. You're going to lose your right to carry a gun. You're going to lose your right to serve on a jury. You're going to lose your right to hold public office, all those things. And so it's like, but Arizona has put into law where you get those automatically restored after your first not your first minor case. It doesn't happen to like big cases, and again, cases that you'd probably assume, any cases that are dangerous allegations, any cases that are serious allegations, those aren't automatically done under the new law, or relatively new law. It's about 4 years ago. And so that's what's, again, another fantastic remedy for Arizona citizens or people with a conviction out of Arizona. And also, finally, I will say that even if you do have like the automatic restoration of rights, I have a lot of people who want to file a motion anyway to get their rights to carry a firearm back. And what that does is it gives you kind of, once you file it, there's going to be no hearing on it. The state's not going to be able to come in and contest it. And the judge is just going to give you an order basically saying that your rights have been restored, your right to carry a firearm has been restored. And so then you can have that order, that piece of paper really, to go around if you ever questioned about whether or not your rights were restored. So again, that's a law here in Arizona. It's called 13907. That's just it's an amazing what Arizona does to help people get their civil rights back, get their rights back in this, relatively conservative state, or more to the point, libertarian state. But Arizona is a very good state for helping people get their rights back and giving people a second chance. So anyways, that's it for today. Again, I'll leave a video at the end of this if I can find one about the motion to restore your firearm rights. and how that compares to the motion to seal an old case here in Arizona. And again, these are all relatively new laws. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.